Hello everyone, Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 7.0 is live now. So the 7th edition of Infosys Springboard is live now. So you have to apply and get the internship and complete the project and get your certificate. This is a process, okay? Last year I applied for 6.0, I completed successfully. I got certificate. So click on the apply now button. After then you will redirect it to the official Infosys Springboard page. There you go. There you have to log in, or if you are new user you have to sign up. I'm already user in Infosys Springboard, so I will log in directly. So you have to sign up if you are new user. So 7th edition, 8 weeks, 5 tech tracks, virtual 100%. So we are happy to announce the launch of 7th edition of Infosys Springboard. So actually this is a very good initiative from the Infosys, because the students who are pursuing BTech can learn various things through this, and it come to know a real world experience how the internship works on, and how are the batches, how are the milestones and time fixture, how to complete. So the nomination efficient, ensure internship nomination is submitted before March 31st, and after March 31st you have to start the courses. It's a first come first serve basis, so you have to complete courses within 1 or 2 days. So basically last year I completed courses before 1 or 2 days after the starting process. Then I get selected for the internship 6.0 batch 8. Okay, this is a good opportunity, please utilize this. So post selection, after the selection you got divided into the batches, and that you got divided into the like how per member this project. Okay, so that will impact your leadership skills and also communication skills. So I will explain clearly in next video. Now this is for a application video. So next video in detail I will tell how the batches will be gone and how to complete and what are the tricks to complete within fastly. I will make sure that. So this is a terms and conditions page. You have to read, not only this, you have to read every terms and condition page, then you can understand. Click on done. So now you have to enter your name. This name will be reflected in your certificate, 100% sure. Don't type mistakes and cross check if you done, and make it clear itself today. No tomorrow chances for editing of your name, something blah blah blah. Enter your email ID, and if you want any collaborations or promotions, please go through this my email ID. And please enter your institution name where you are pursuing education. That means you are pursuing college. So please enter name of city where your institution is located. I think it's Hyderabad, so I am entering Hyderabad. And you have to enter your college city. Enter your state. So it's state na. Okay, sorry, my bad. It's Telangana. BTech. Which stack you are interested in? AI, Python, data visualization, Angular tech. So previously I completed AI, so I keep BTech Java. So these are the basic questions. You have to, where you selected? Yes, because I previously worked with Infosys. Okay, now continue. This is your cross check options to check your details, and this is a confirmation button. So now you have to start courses from March 31st. If you have any doubts, comment me. I will tell you what the process will be. Thank you. Please subscribe.